Hello students, this is Amrita ma'am from Unique Learning Classes. Today we will discuss or do objective type of questions. The name of the chapter is Life Processes. So let's start. Our first question is, in plants, the carbohydrates which are not utilized are stored in the form of, first option glycogen, second starch, glycolipid, fourth option is phospholipid. The right answer is starch. Second question, in terrestrial plants, water used in photosynthesis is taken up by the flowers, roots, aerial leaves, green stems. The right answer is roots. Third question, microorganisms that do not show any molecular movement in them until they infect some cells are, first viruses, bacteria, archaebacteria, eubacteria. The right answer is viruses. यहाँ पे मैं सारे राइट आंसर को टिक कर रही हूँ, आप नोट डाउन कर सकते हो. You may note down all the answers. Fourth, identify the correct matching pair of form of organic food synthesized, stored and transported in plants from the following. Options are here: form of food synthesized, form of food stored, form of food transported. Sucrose, glucose, starch. Glucose, starch, sucrose. Glucose, sucrose, starch. Sucrose, glycogen, glucose. The right answer is second, glucose, starch, sucrose. Fifth question, which of the following events does not occur exclusively during light reaction of photosynthesis? Photolysis of water, conversion of light energy into chemical energy, absorption of solar energy, reduction of CO2. The right answer is reduction of CO2. अब हम अपने छठे सवाल पे आते हैं. Which of the following organisms break down the food material outside their body and then absorb it? First option, bread, molds, yeast and algae. Second, bread, molds, mushroom and green plants. Third, fungi, algae and mushrooms. Fourth, bread, molds, yeast and mushrooms. The right answer is bread, molds, yeast and mushrooms. Paramecium shows holozoic nutrition, saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, autotrophic nutrition. Paramecium shows holozoic nutrition. Longer small intestine for the digestion of cellulose is needed in case of, first option, human being, herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. The right option is herbivorous. Site of the complete digestion of carbohydrate, proteins and fats is the, first option, large intestine, small intestine, stomach, colon. तो राइट आंसर स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. The finger-like projections called villi help in first option increasing the surface area for absorption, second decreasing the surface area for absorption, increasing the surface area for adhesion, increase the efficiency of enzyme action. The right answer, increasing the surface area for absorption. Question number 11. In which of the following digestive enzymes are not found? Bile juice, saliva, gastric juice, intestinal secretion. Right answer, bile juice. 12. Pepsin differs from trypsin because it digests proteins in acidic medium in duodenum, proteins in alkaline medium in duodenum, protein in acidic medium in stomach, proteins in alkaline medium in stomach. Right answer, proteins in acidic medium in stomach. From which part of the alimentary canal digestion of carbohydrates starts? Stomach, esophagus, mouth, colon. The right answer is mouth. Alright students, stay in touch with me. Please like, subscribe and share my channel among your friends. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.